Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial I will discuss about voicemail is currently not available on your iPhone running iOS 18 update. You can see voicemail is currently unavailable. How can I fix it? Keep watching this video until the end. For that, close this window and open setting application on your iPhone. And here is, now scroll down until the end and tap on apps. And here is, find out phone application. Here is, now tap on phone and now scroll down, and here is Wi-Fi calling. Simply turn on Wi-Fi calling from here and tap on enable. Now go back from here and find out general and tap on it, and now scroll down and tap on language and region. And here you can see I'm selecting Pakistan. Now change the region to United States. Select United States, search United States. Here is, now tap on it and tap on change to English US, and here's wait for some seconds, and your country has been changed successfully. Now close this window and open phone application again, and now tap on voicemail. You can see your voicemail available after changing the country and Wi-Fi calling enable. I hope this video helpful for you, so guys please like, subscribe to my channel.